How's it going, everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to service the hub assembly for 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. So replacing the wheel hub assembly may be needed during the ownership of your SN95 or New Edge Mustang. This video will cover the proper steps needed to service a failed hub assembly. Some of the things to make note of when identifying a worn hub are constant audible noises while the vehicle is in motion and vibration through the steering wheel. Diagnosing a worn hub assembly can be done with the front of the vehicle supported and moving the wheel in a 9-3 or 12-6 back and forth motion. If there is play in the hub, the wheel and tire will have slight movement in both of those directions. Today we'll be working on keeping comp, which is our 2004 Mustang GT project car. Before we get rolling with the removal and installation procedure, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure those notifications are turned on. That way you don't miss any of our future uploads. To begin, support the front of the car via jack stands or the entire thing with a lift. Remove the front wheel on the side that you are working on. Locate and remove the two 15mm bolts securing the caliper to the spindle. If it's needed, use a pry bar to help remove the caliper from the rotor. Use an old coat hanger or something similar and hang the caliper out of the way. Go ahead and remove the front rotor and set it aside. Carefully pry the dust cap off of the hub assembly. Loosen and remove the hub to spindle retaining nut with the 36mm socket. If it's needed, gently tap the back side of the hub with a drift and hammer to remove it from the spindle. In our situation, the race and rear cover separated from the hub assembly. This portion was fully removed with a drift and hammer. Go ahead and thoroughly clean the spindle with a towel and brake parts cleaner. At this time, you can install the new hub assembly and ensure that it fully seats onto the spindle. Thread a new retaining nut onto the spindle and then run it down with an impact. The torque spec for this nut is 250 pound-feet. Install the dust cap and lightly tap it with a hammer until it's fully seated against the hub face. Go ahead and reinstall any component that was removed and torque all the fasteners to factory specifications. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side if it's needed. Reinstall the front wheel, torque the lugs to factory spec, and lower the car. After that, you're good to go. All right, wrapping things up here, people. Servicing the hub assembly on a 1994 to 2004 Mustang is relatively straightforward, especially if you have some decent mechanical knowledge and, of course, the proper tools to complete the job. We hope this video helped you out. So remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. For the most up-to-date product information, pricing, and availability on anything you may have seen in this video, please reference LMR.com. We're signing off for the day, so we'll catch you in the next one.